Hello everyone, and welcome to the Sukarimba channel. This time, we will be showcasing several videos featuring modern harvesting equipment and various crop maintenance machines. Enjoy watching the video. Gone are the days of labor-intensive harvesting. This modern cabbage harvesting machine works with incredible precision, cutting, trimming outer leaves, and transporting each cabbage automatically in just seconds. Fast, efficient, and designed to minimize damage, this advanced technology transforms large-scale harvesting, saving time, reducing labor costs, and delivering premium quality produce with every pass. Precision meets innovation. This modern broccoli tending machine moves between the crop rows, while an operator at the rear accurately steers its path. Every movement ensures weeds are cleared without damaging the plants, making maintenance faster and more efficient while fostering healthier broccoli growth. Technology and human skill combine to create a smarter future for agriculture. Behind every bountiful harvest, technology is hard at work. These modern machines harvest, lift, and gather red radishes at a speed unmatched by human hands. Expanses of tea bushes sway to the rhythm of the machinery. In a single pass, thousands of high-quality tea shoots are gathered, proving that innovation is the key to the future of agriculture. Here is the next piece of modern equipment. Control vibration is the key to future harvesting. With a single pass, this machine harvests almonds faster, saves labor, and maintains high orchard productivity. Behind every premium grape harvest is cutting-edge technology at work. This modern grapevine pruning machine trims every branch with incredible precision, speeding up vineyard maintenance, boosting productivity, and keeping the vines healthy. A perfect blend of innovation, speed, and efficiency, transforming the future of grape farming.